Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's vlog, I'm vlogging today. Yes, my first vlog of the year. I'm actually late. I shouldn't be vlogging if I'm late, but I am going to be reporting a game today. If you don't know what I do, I am a college student and my major is mass communication. We changed it to media studies. I don't know why, but that's just what they did. I'll be reporting. Stop talking. I'll be reporting the girls' game, and I'm going to take you guys with me just to see what I do and what we do during the games, all that stuff, okay? So if you like this vlog and you want me to vlog more often, thumbs up this video, subscribe, leave a comment down below telling me, hey, you should vlog more often. I like your life because I feel like I don't do nothing with my life. So, yeah, let me put my lip gloss on. My lip gloss is cool. My lip gloss is fine. I look cute. I look cute. Is it legal to wear a different team at a different school? Because this is UA. And my school is not UA. I left this out. This is hard as a mug. Oh, I'm using Marc Jacobs Brownie lip liner. So welcome to my life. My sister's always singing. I don't know why, but she's always singing. So we're done. I gotta go. So outside of recording, let me get my camera together real quick. Okay. Ooh, this is cute lighting. Outside of recording, I do more than just record. I'm a college student and I try to make something out of myself. We're gonna go. Gotta get her something to eat. I told her I was gonna get something to eat, but whatever. I'm gonna dim this light off, turn this off. Y'all see the difference between a ring light and no ring light? Sheesh. I think we're done. To the car. I'll meet you guys there. Or I'll probably take some shots in the car if it's not too dark in there. Yeah. You guys see me? You can't see me! You cannot see me! What's wrong with my light? Y'all know y'all see that highlight on my nose though. I know y'all see that highlight on my nose though. Y'all see that highlight on my nose? Y'all see that highlight on my nose though? Cause I see it. My white teeth. Colgate. No, it's Crust. Yeah, Crust. 3D whitener. Toothpaste. Yeah. I don't normally, I'm not gonna lie and say I don't snap and drive, because I do, but don't snap and drive. So I'm gonna give it to my sister to hold. Dog, I hate how this driveway is set up. How you doing, guys? It's great, isn't it? You can't see me. They can see me a little bit.
No, they can't.
Yes, they can. Yes, they can. A little bit.
Your melanin is not that popping.
Melanin, not
Whatever.
melanin.
Same thing. Start with the M, didn't it?
Yeah, but you didn't say correct, did you?
It started with the M and had melon in it. So there you go.
That's not right. That doesn't make it right.
They know what I'm talking about.
That's like saying
Your
tomatoes
melanin,
are
lemon and lemon in it.
No.
Lemon is popping.
What lemon? What lemon? What is lemon?
Not you. Because obviously they can't see you.
They can't see you either. We are both black. You can't see either of us.
Yo, where
I get too heated about this. Oh, you didn't put it in there.
Come on! I'm late!
That's your fault.
You want your Chipotle?
You
or
always say
not?
that to me. It's my fault if you
You want your Chipotle?
I want my Chipotle, but I'm
Okay,
telling you the
I'll-
facts so you don't look
fine.
stupid on YouTube.
I'll be quiet. Come on, man. It's 6:27. I gotta get there pretty soon.
disrespectful. Changed my whole entire fit. Came in and he was like, what you doing? You rocking an Auburn hat at a Wright State game during Durham. So I had to change it. This is what happens when you rock a different school at a different school. Disrespect was real. Poor little Auburn hat. He didn't get a hat though, but I got a hat. Beautiful Auburn hat. I'm still stuck on the fact that they changed my hat, dude. Like, I had to change hats. I'm so upset right now.
Oh my god, that's the nicest compliment I could ever get from someone.
What?
My uncle said I sound like Vince Scully. He's the Hall of Famer. Oh my god, I grew up on Vince Scully.
Let me get my family
I'm
on.
gonna cry right before I go back on.
Don't cry. Don't. You're a busy guy, and I heard you got a spot at TV station. What? Congratulations.
Remember us little people, Blake. How many do you have now?
Like 17.
Oh my god.
Getting up there.
I just went on like it's 50 seconds, so I don't know, give us 30, 35.
Yeah.
Okay. That's perfect.
Hey Blake, I'm gonna be waiting on my check since you're on channel 2 now.
I was just on her vlog and I was assuming Chelsea averaging 22 points.
With her 1,000 points, amazing way to spend your senior year. Just amazing. No. I mean, that's one point. Do you really want to know why they won? Because they had me.
Oh wow. Off of providing the in-depth analysis of this game, Wright State won because they scored more points.
More points. It's the key to basketball.
You can check
More
her.
points.
You can check her out. I mean, future ESPN analyst here.
Hey, you gotta know what you're talking about. More
I
points.
think that works in all sports. If you score more points, you win.
Well, Wright State, they gave us the reason why they won tonight. More points.
This has been Raiders basketball on WWSC 1069 for Shay Neal and my partner.
Affeeds and Tolo.
We are signing off. Next game for the Raiders will be Sunday against IUPUI at 2 o'clock.
Hopefully we see you guys there. I honestly don't know how long this vlog thing goes, but we won. We won. We seriously won. It is cold.
Tomorrow it's gonna be 50.
Cold as fuck.
Which is a good thing, right?
Of course it won.
Too damn cold. Oh, I'm not supposed to say that word. Too darn cold. How about that? I wish I had a gentleman. Hey, be a gentleman for me. Open this door.
Do I look like a man? Or do I look gentle? No. You can walk
Open
in
the door.
yourself.
Come on. You know I don't have nobody. Come on, son. Let's see if I'm gonna drive you home. You don't need a man to get through. Blacks up. We won. We won. We won.
Girl, what is you doing? Stop. I'm walking away. Where are we going?
This way. Welcome to my crib, MTV Cribs. My name is Ashley
You know
Elizabeth.
that this belong
and I
to
want
you?
to show y'all a nice crib that you've never seen before. Follow me, y'all. Right here, Oprah gave me this. She saw my page.
Hold on, I
She
can't
was
zoom
like,
in on
this
it.
girl is dope. So she sent me this personally, and I was like, yo,
Hey,
Oprah sent me this. You know I gotta put this in front.
Hold on, I'm trying
Enter.
to button my thing together. Hold on.
See this? Kids, stay in school,
Honey,
get your degree.
she ain't get that.
Stay in school, get your degree.
Girl, you didn't even get your degree yet. You not done?
They gotta know that. 1 year left. So right here, this is where the action starts, baby. We at the student union. I made this from ground up. We
I
got
swear to
a
God, you're
gym
gonna
in there.
trip. Where's the gym? Oh yeah, bro, you got the TV room. You got the rock climbing wall over there.
You'll never see something something like this before.
You got a credit union?
Y'all seen MTV Cribs with Usher, right? Y'all ain't seen nothing yet. Right here, when I get visitors, they can't go in here. That's
But
what
there's
it's
a
called.
pool they can go
And then we
in.
got an indoor pool. You tell me somebody that got an indoor pool.
It go to 12. It go to 16 feet, y'all.
Yo, and then we got a checkout. So before you leave, I gotta check you out. So you know,
So you ain't steal
check
nothing,
out.
bruh.
I gotta make sure that you ain't steal nothing. I gotta
pockets, bruh.
pat you
Leave your
down.
pockets,
You know what
bruh.
I'm saying? So we're gonna walk. Oh, this right here is where I make all my trips. I go to Puerto Rico. I get my passport. We going to France.
Shouldn't you have your passport already, though?
Yeah, but you know, we gotta get another one. We gotta stamp both of them up. So
What's that one song? That one, talk dirty to me, go something like that.
that's where
I got lipstick
Delta
stains on my
Sigma
passport.
Thea.
They're the rock one. The rock coming place over there, y'all.
Yeah, I built that one from the ground up. Actually, I had
I got a cramp over there, story time.
Kevin Hart.
You had a Kevin Hart or you
Wrong
had.
place. I just realized that. We're going to the lunch. Yeah, we gotta take it.
Isn't
down.
this your crib? Are you supposed to know where everything is, bro?
I mean, the crib is so big that I don't.
Wearing Auburn hats, not knowing where the studio is. What do you do?
Fam,
Yeah,
the studio's
yeah.
downstairs, isn't it?
MTV Cribs. I want you guys to meet my dear friend Shay.
MTV Cribs.
Yeah. You never know.
This will end up on like some MTV show.
Parental control, hopefully.
I have great friends. You see this?
I almost fell down the stairs.
These stairs, you gotta be careful.
So we got Northwest, St. West, and Chicago West. Which one's the best?
Wait, no. What?
They named their third kid Chicago.
I swear to God. I swear to God.
Right?
I swear.
Named their kid Chicago.
Bruh,
Kanye, what you doing, man?
what's going
Don't
on?
name your kids the entire state. Next thing you know, you don't have Ohio.
Our next kid's gonna be Houston.
Stop. What are you doing?
Dallas is a real name. Phoenix is a real name.
I like.
Houston.
Chicago?
Jesus.
Oh yeah, let me show y'all my workout. You see where I get the fitness from? From
We
here.
can't even see through that piece of
That's
glass.
because nobody's supposed to see me work out. I'm tired.
But we have
See
these
it
clear
right
ones over
here.
here, so what are you trying to say?
All of these, Cam Newton gave them to me.
Cam Newton?
Cam Newton.
Not even like Terry Crews, Cam Newton?
We can Cam Newton. Okay?
He's asking questions.
Super Bowl. Yeah. Cam Newton. Superman. He gave that to me.
Cam, might be Super Cam. Who makes your meals? I thought it was him.
Gets my schedule going. This person right here makes my schedule from ground up. If I'm not in class, this is where I make most of my money. He basically is my assistant, but don't tell him that, okay? He's my assistant, but don't tell him. So, this is where we get the work going. This is where my money comes in. Is that my private studio right here?
What is that? What did you just knock down? You breaking your house.
Maid's gonna put it up.
Who's the
What
maid?
happens, man? WWSU 106.9 FM.
The right choice.
So this is my assistant.
Yeah.
Assistant! Appy's in the house.
What's happening?
Appy's in the
I
house.
haven't seen you in like
MTV
since last
Cribs.
year.
This is where the work happens.
Oh man.
This is where my schedule
owns
comes.
y'all.
MTV Cribs. All right.
Fast
Here
enough
we
university.
got my office. I can't show you guys my office because it's working.
Are you sure it belongs to you?
It's getting to.
You sure this whole house is yours?
I mean, I saw a couple people
This
walking
is where you
around.
fire people. But I'm good enough to not
party with
fire
20,000
him.
people
Viral
invited?
right now.
I can't.
Fire me. I dare you. I dare
No
you.
balls.
Fire me.
So this is the part where I have to kick you guys out. It was nice. It was nice meeting you. It's been real, but you gotta get the f out of here. Peace. So if you guys can tell, if you already noticed something different, I left the house wearing an AU hat, and I came back with the Wright State hat. So what happened was I was broadcasting the game, and I didn't know that the athletic director was actually watching me for about 2 quarters straight. And he walked over and he said, "Take that hat off," and he gave me a Wright State hat. So I placed my Auburn hat on the table,
And I put on a Wright State hat because it was disrespectful. And they won. They won the game. They did. They won the game. It was a great game though. We were down and we came back up. We fall down and we get up. So if you guys like my vlogs, you like me, thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next vlog. That's if you like this vlog. That will give me a reason to keep vlogging. Say bye to the people.
Stop.
Looking like Reggie looking boy. Reggie looking boy. Okay. See you guys next vlog if you like this vlog.
Are you? Okay, can you turn off so I can ask you this question?
Bye guys. No.
Are you returning this?
Yes.
When?
Anyway, bye guys.
I'm using the bag.